Today I'm going to be making city chicken. Hi, my name's Tom and this is my carnivore life. So city chicken is made with cubed pork and there's several different ways to do it. I'm going to be showing you my way of doing it. So first thing you want to do is get your oven preheated to 425 degrees, and you're going to want to have some bamboo skewers and you're going to want to soak those in water. So for this recipe, you're going to want some type of boneless pork. I have boneless pork ribs here, but you can use a pork loin or boneless pork chops. Any of those will work just fine. You're going to need the skewers that I mentioned earlier. Make sure they've been soaking in water so they don't burn. I prefer this brand of ground up pork rinds. They have Italian seasoning on this one. You can use your own and make your own seasoning or just plain pork rinds. It's up to you. And you're also going to need a gallon Ziploc bag. So what you're going to want to do is cube your pork up like I've done here. And this is just so we can bread them. Take your pork rinds and shake some of them in a bag. Throw in some of the pork. Seal it and give it a good shake, kind of like you would do with shake and bake. And get those all nice and coated. You take your skewer and just start sliding your pork down on the skewer. Leave a little bit of spacing in between them. And once you've got them on the skewer, you want to lay them onto a cookie sheet and ready to bake. And just keep doing this until all of your pork is done. And there we have our city chicken. This is an excellent recipe. Got plenty of flavor in it and just a different twist on having pork. Hope you enjoyed this video. Giving you a nice meal that you can make during the week, kind of break up the monotony a little bit, have a little bit of variety. Give me a like and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know if you tried this or if you have a different variation on this recipe. And as always, have a great day.